Hi Cancerians, this is your April 2021 career reading. I am going to read out the cards which fell out for you while I was shuffling your deck, taking your zodiac sign name and your date of births. And I have got a picture in front of me regarding your career energies. I have clarified it also to get a exact accurate picture. So before I start your reading, I am going to read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got a message for you. Please take note of it. It's saying, pay yourself first. Make yourself your most important financial obligation by setting aside a portion of your income every time you are paid. This loving form of self care ensures that you will have savings to invest in your present and your future. So, pay yourself first whenever you are getting paid. That's what the angels are telling you. Let's see what are the energies that are coming in. So the first energy through tarot which is coming in is of the Empress. Empress means situation of abundance for some of you, a situation of conceiving new things. Some of you are conceiving a child. Some of you are getting into businesses that are being that have feminine energies. For example, the energies of in a fashion business. Some of you are getting into studies, some of you are doing higher studies, some of you are looking at ecology, nature, some of you are trying to start a business regarding cooking food, something which comes out of nature. You are going to start directly connected with nature. You are going to start that kind of business. So something new will be conceived in the month of April by you. That is what I am seeing. Also, there is the Hierophant card with the Empress. So Empress and Hierophant means that there could be influence of mother, influence of father, influence of these two people, or a commitment into a partnership. So there can be a situation wherein a teacher, a mother, a boss who is a teacher or a mother, someone who is a mentor, is guiding you to get to your Ace of Pentacles. So, Ace of Pentacles is coming with this association. Some of you are partnering with people who are abundant. Some of you are partnering with people who are experts, or religious. You can do something religious. So, there can be this kind of career which is connected with higher authority, religion, the government, the community, and to do with nature and to do with humanity. So you are going towards it. Some of you are joining armed forces, some of you are getting into police or military, some of you are getting into NGO work. So this is going to wellness. This is going to give you a fillip in your career. You are going to go towards stability. That is what I am seeing. Some of you are getting into a partnership which is very very dependable. So a restorative energy, a energy of growth is coming in, and future stability is coming in for you people. I am again seeing the Empress card which came out. Empress and the Judgment came out together. This means that some of you are still procrastinating. Some of you are thinking of ideas but still not coming out of the comfort, still not getting into action. So, what will be happening in the month of April is action will take place. You will come out of low vibrational energies. Some of you, energy of stagnation. Some of you will come out of it. You were just thinking, you were not doing. So you will be able to come out of that situation. And the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands will come in. This is mastery over a situation, mastery over a profession that is coming in, success coming in. So you will be going towards your success. You will be going towards being the person who is center of attraction. So abundance is here, abundant situation, a situation wherein you are coming out of lower forces, you are going towards higher forces, and expertise coming in. So some of you will be studying, some of you will be getting into a study situation, some of you are going to be guided by your guides, that is for sure, towards your financial stability. So, as you go forward, I am seeing you coming out of any turmoil situation you are going through, coming out of problems. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing that you are doing a smooth sailing because you have the support, because you have the energies that are going to help you to get out of trouble to calmer waters. You are taking up a journey as well. Some of you are difficult for you at this time, but there will be people who will be taking up journeys to go towards new jobs, go towards new locations to earn their money. I am seeing an opportunity of ambition coming in. Some of you are studying, some of you will be joining universities, some of you are going to lay the base for future livelihoods. That's what I am seeing, and you will be able to do it very well. The potential will be high of success, because you will start something from the scratch, you will start learning something, you will be going towards it, and you will be successful. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing the cup energies, the king and queen of cups. Some of you will be in this kind of uh, partnership. So there is an emotional partnership, there could be a marriage, because I am seeing the hierophant as well. So a marriage can bring in new opportunity for stability, could bring in new opportunity for abundance. That is what I am seeing. So a partnership, a marriage, a commitment is going to give you this queen of cups and the king of cups pairing. This will be helpful for you. This means that someone who is using his or her talents, someone who is solving problems with diplomacy, someone who is exuding charm in their work situation. So charming atmosphere will prevail. You will be able to win over people. It is more on the emotional side of winning people in your career. So monetarily, yes, you are going towards a stability, but this is problem solving energy, this is your feeling energy, this is your mastery over a certain situation, solving of problems kind of energy which is coming in. I am seeing collaborations happening for some of you. I am seeing that some of you are laying a foundation for a new activity, new work involving your craft. So you will be collaborating with people and you will be starting something afresh. So for many of you, new job opportunities coming in and you will be taking that. So this will be something you will love. So it is a fresh new beginning happening for some of you. I am seeing that the devil energy and the world energy is together again. So the combination is saying that you will come out of darkness, you will come out of rejections, you will come out of failures, you will come out of depression. Whatever was happening in your career, the darknesses which you were there, you had to experience that. From there you will be closing that chapter and you will be coming towards the world situation. This means that closing the darknesses in your career and going towards a new beginning, freshness, or expansion. That is what I am seeing. The world card is saying that connections with abroad can take place. Some of you are going and expanding towards a situation or a career which is taking you to other countries. So I am seeing an old chapter being closed, so a chapter of a failure or blockage, and a new chapter is opening. A well lit, illuminated new thing is opening for you, which will take you to your growth and progress. So that is what I am seeing. Your outcome energy is of victory. So very good six of wands situation. You will get victory over your circumstances in your career. Money situation will be good because there is three of pentacles, there is page of pentacles, but you are more into your emotional side, and I see that some of you are upgrading yourself emotionally by things which you can do, which can give you creative solutions, mentorship, advice and a new situation for you which is high vibrational, and you are going to get victory in your circumstances. Achievement of something, public recognition for some of you is on the cards. So angels are saying that much more is coming to you, wish fulfillment in career is coming to you. So in the month of April you will see the signs and signals wherein you will be able to achieve something which will be your wish fulfillment in terms of your emotions in career. So let's see what is the Lenormand card saying. The Lenormand is giving you the number one card. This is the horseman card, sorry, the horseman card. This means a pleasant surprise is brought by a man. This is the number one, advice. And the number two advice is don't be afraid of renewal. But don't forget the tradition. Tradition is because of the Hierophant. Don't forget the tradition. That is what is being said. Don't forget the tradition that led you where you are now. So this month is centered on feelings. Like I said, lot of cups energy is coming in, emotions coming in. After a quarrel or a disagreement, the situation will stabilize. Love will win over logic and doubts and intrusion of outsiders. Some of you will get pregnant also, that is what I am seeing. So the feminine energy will be working here of conception. So it could be pregnancy, a physical pregnancy, or it could be something new will be conceived by you in terms of your ideas. So I see that you are in a good position in your organization. It is because of your loyalty. You love your work and you are self confident. Colleagues and bosses admire you, like I said in your tarot. Useful friendships and satisfying ambitions. So, useful friendships and satisfying ambitions are coming in. A friend will offer you support and precious advice. I am seeing the King and Queen of Cups energy. A pairing is happening. A solution will come unexpectedly. A solution will happen for you. Judgment is happening. So something will be solved for you definitely. Uh, Even in a moment of crisis, partners and colleagues will stay faithful to you. Understanding reached by parties in conflict. So, understanding will happen because of, good energies that are around you. So, the World card and the Devil card is saying that a middle path will be found. You will be able to close chapters of conflict. That is what I am seeing. Um, Regarding money, it is saying that you have saved and reinvested capital traditionally, so it is risk free. A good financial position allows you to get something extra for yourself. That is what is being seen. Reassuring financial news will be brought by a young person. This could be that card. And thanks to a friend's suggestion, you will make an excellent investment. So excellent investments will take place, victory will take place, wish fulfillment will take place in your career and money situation, my dear Cancerians. I wish you all the best, and if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have personal problems, if you have career problems, love problems, you can come to me. I give online tarot readings, and you can leave in a request in the comment box. I will tell you how to book my readings. So that's it. Bye bye. Wait for my next 10 days reading. I will be uploading those also. So bye bye. See you.